Are you looking for the best AUX cord? In this video we will look at some of the top AUX cords on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check those out to see which is in your budget range. At number 3. UGREEN 3.5mm Audio Cable Stereo AUX Jack-to-Jack Cable. It is made of pure copper, ensuring high-fidelity sound quality and providing maximum conductivity and durability. It can be easily plugged into your headphone jack without taking off your slim phone case. Its design is slim to avoid the hassle of tangle successfully. It is compatible with any cell phone, MP3 player, PDA with a standard 3.5mm jack. The 24K gold-plated housing and contacts for optimum sound quality. At number 2. Syncwire AUX Cord. Its double shielding significantly enhances protection against interference. This is durable, tangle-free cord features gold-plated connectors and braided nylon fabric for optimum sound transmission. It is a high-quality auxiliary audio cable that connects to any device with a 3.5mm jack. Its 6 feet long cable is perfect for use at home or on the go. It is polished 24K gold-plated connectors ensure reliability, eliminate signal loss and noise possible. At number 1. KEPULU AUX Cable Cord. This cable is perfect for any device with a headphone jack. It is compatible with all Apple products, as well as Android and Windows devices. This cord is 3 feet long, so you can comfortably use your phone. It is made of high-quality materials to ensure the best sound quality and durability. This AUX cable has an inline remote with volume control, so you can adjust your music without interrupting. So, that sums up this video. We hope you enjoyed, and if you did, please leave a like on the video. If you are new here, press the subscribe button and hit the bell icon. Until next time, have a great day.